Welcome back to It's Okay Garage. Today we are going to be pulling the motor out of a 2013 Subaru Outback. First off, start draining the coolant. It's just easier to get that done and taken care of. Then we're going to disconnect the battery, pull it out, take the air box, pull that out, pull the radiator, and that's going to be for the radiator, a couple bolts here. So they're a little bit of a challenge to get off. You're going to have to pull a couple of these clips, kind of pull this front piece of the bumper forward, get to those two 12s. After that, we're going to pull this cover off with the 10 here, the power steering and the AC, and flip them up out of the way. While we're here, we're going to undo this fuel lines. We go ahead and start unplugging the main plugs. You can undo the bell housing, pull the starter out. So the bell housing bolts are going to be 14s and there should be 8. Okay, once you get all that stuff taken off and cleared out of the way and pushed off to the sides, go ahead and jump back here, pull that starter out. Got one bolt there and then one underneath. Undo the 2 plugs on it. There should be a 12 nut, and then take all those bell housing off. The next step is to undo the bell housing bolts underneath. There's only 4 that I couldn't get from the top that you do down here. They're a little challenging. You got 3 14s on the exhaust right here, and then 1 on the hanger right there on the back of it that connects to the transmission. It's a 14 as well. This one motor mount, undo the nut on both sides. So this one, you're going to want to get a chain hooked up and ready to pull the motor, and then you can undo this motor mount. But it's easier just to take the whole motor mount assembly out, but you want to be connected to the chain first and have some tension off the motor mount. So let's get that all set up. Okay, just another one. There is another bolt that is under that starter. Once you get that one out and the motor mount undone and taken out, make sure you get the 4 bolts on the torque converter as well. So you turn the motor over, there's a window right here to get to, and you can kind of reach a 10 on a long extension through here. Go ahead and jack it up, pull it out. Okay, I got the motor all pulled out. If you're gonna be moving the car around, I would recommend budging the exhaust up, and you can just wrap it around anything. Probably the sway bar. We'll jump into doing disassemble of this motor. And that's how you pull the motor out of the Subaru Outback. Thanks again for watching, and we'll catch you in the next videos.